Alright folks, I figured I'd show you the dash cam and the GPS that I put in the Crown Vic. If you watch my videos, you know that I put a voice activated GPS and a dash cam in all my vehicles, so let me show you that. I'm not going to show you the wiring. I've got it all hid under the dash, and I've got it ran to the appropriate fuse, so when you turn your key on it comes on, you turn your key off it turns off. I'll show you that. Alrighty, so here's the steering wheel right in front of me. That's just telling me to put my seatbelt on, because I have the key in the on position for the things to work. So in this one, I looked around and I really wasn't sure where I was going to put that GPS. I thought about putting it right up here. What I decided on was I'd put it right here. I think this is going to work pretty good. The door can close. My knee doesn't hit it. I can see everything there. And it is a voice activated. Voice command.
Say a command.
Exit. So I can talk to it and it'll do all that. And then for the dash cam, I just put the dash cam right here. I don't like using those suction cups if I can avoid it that they come with. I think they're kind of tacky. So what I did is I cut the mount and I modified it. And I epoxied the mount to the bottom of the mirror there, that plastic housing. And the camera still comes off. It still slides on and off. I just cut the little thing where the camera slides in. So I can take that camera on and off, no problem. And it goes in 3-minute loops, and I've got like a 32 gig SD card in there, so it's fine. And I'll show you now. So basically, when you turn the key off, that's going to turn off. That's going to turn off. Okay, so that turns off. The GPS is counting down. I think it counts down from like 25 seconds or something. Okay, so they're both off. So the GPS is off, that's off, and when I go to start it, I'm not going to start it. I'll just turn the key to the run position. But you'll see that turns on, and the GPS turns on. If you start driving, the screen will go away. If not, just hit agree, and here you go. So that's how I wire everything. I don't like, wires dangling up. I've got it all up here and down the A-pillar, and same thing with this. I just can't stand wires. So I think that's the cleanest option for here. I'm not going to put anything else in this vehicle. I'm all done. I just wanted the GPS and the dash cam, and we are good to go. Turn it off one last time. Take the key out. GPS is counting down. There goes the dash cam. That's how I do it, folks. All right. Y'all have a good one out there.